Hello, Oreck fans, especially fans of the classic 2800, because that's what this dude is, and it's from the year 2000. So it's a golden oldie. It's got a brand new belt and a brush roll in it. Well, when I got it all kind of repaired and whatnot a couple years ago. So it's in really good condition. We have a genuine HEPA bag here, so let's see what it does for baking soda. Now, as you know, the brush roll in here typically is red. I think you can get some other ones, but the typical one in here has literally bristles for days. It has so many bristles, I think it could bristle or re-bristle several brush rolls, and they decided to go ahead and cram it all on this one brush roll. And the nozzle is very, very small, so I'm going to have to concentrate that, the baking soda, that is. Did pretty well with sand. I think about 66%, definitely up there. This is going to be hard to measure, and I don't know, I don't think you're going to be able to see this. I'm really going to have to bend down in order to try to even see it myself. Okay. I'm at 99.63, and that's at an unbelievably low angle here. I practically have to have my face on the floor. So 99.63, and let me make sure that that is a valid result, that the bag isn't actually touching anything else. Nope, we're good. All right, so that's what we're going to go with. And let me reset up the camera, and let's get started. This is a fairly small brush roll opening, so I'm going to have to make an effort to concentrate this somewhat. Away we go. On high, of course, this is a 2-speed model. That bag can definitely handle a lot of dirt, to be sure. Let's go get the measuring board. See how we did. And we'll take a look at the bristles here pretty quickly. Actually getting you in closer won't help, because it's going to be difficult enough for me to see this. So I'm just going to stay there. I got to make sure this bag does not touch anything else affecting its measurement, and still somehow manage to see what the scale says. Okay, we are at 104.5 something. Let me see if I can tilt that a little bit. All right, that's what I thought I saw. 104.50. So let's see what the old calculator says. 104, 104.5. Yep. Minus 99.63. And it's not what I thought it would. I thought it would do a little better than that. So that's 4.87 out of 10 grams. Wow. So I can just multiply that times 10, we can see. So 49%. Huh. I really thought it would do a little better than that. The sand, I think, overall, if you were somehow to try to compare the two, the sand, it does definitely a better pickup. But the fine dust it's okay, but it's not anything to write home about. So less than 50%. Now let's take a look at those bristles so you can see what I mean. They are numerous, but they are very soft. That's probably better. So take a peek at that. Very, very small brush roll opening, a little over 50 nozzle CFM. You can see them. They are actually very long, and they are really, really soft. Definitely soft. So a little less than 50%, about 49%. I guess I thought it would do a little bit better, but you win some, you lose some. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.